Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the basics so nothing blocks your application. Update the TikTok app, then go straight to Profile Right Arrow settings and switch to a creator or business account. This unlocks creator tools. Once done, verify your email and phone and enable two-factor authentication so your account looks legitimate. Next, open Creator Tools and review the eligibility checklist there. Make sure you meet the stated requirements before applying so you don't waste time. You now enter the middle steps. Locate Creator Tools, tap Programs, then choose the Creativity Program Beta and start the application. Fill every field carefully, attach 2 to 3 recent sample videos that showcase editable assets, and explain how you plan to use the beta. That gives reviewers context. Make sure to accept the program terms and select your payment/contact preferences if required. Finally, review your entries before submitting so there are no avoidable delays. You finish by confirming acceptance and enabling any beta features once you get approval. When active, test the creative tools on a private draft so you can iterate without affecting feed performance. This helps you understand controls and asset export. Monitor notifications for follow-ups and set reminders to complete any payment or tax setup. If the beta option doesn't appear, clear the app cache, force an update, restart the app, and send an app feedback. Those steps usually resolve visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.